Embrace a balanced diet for optimal health. Eating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and providing your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to function effectively. Proper nutrition supports your body's vital functions, enhances your energy levels, and boosts your immune system. Steps 1. Incorporate a variety of foods. Ensure your meals include a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This variety ensures you get a range of essential nutrients. 2. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portions and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 3. Limit processed foods. Reduce the intake of processed and sugary foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, excess sugars, and preservatives that can be detrimental to your health. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 cups to 2 liters daily. Proper hydration supports digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. 5. Plan your meals. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure you have a variety of nutritious options available. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute, less healthy options. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods and practicing portion control, you can achieve a balanced diet that supports overall health and well-being. Consistently choosing whole, unprocessed foods and staying hydrated will enhance your body's ability to function at its best.